This video introduces a strategic framework for distinguishing intelligence from automation, contrasting the logic of adaptation with the engine of repetition. We must focus on separating the signal from the noise. AI and automation are often treated as synonyms, but conflating them leads to misaligned expectations and strategic error. Think of this distinction as the mind versus the muscle. Intelligence is the mind, processing complexity and thinking. Automation is the muscle, executing action and performing tasks. Automation is the engine of execution. Its core definition is that it performs by executing tasks automatically with minimal human input. Automation is the mechanism of certainty. It follows strict, pre-programmed rules based on if-then logic, acting like a sophisticated flowchart. Automation excels at efficiency within fixed boundaries. It has low adaptability, operates only within constraints, and does not inherently learn from new data, as seen in tasks like scheduling emails or data entry. However, the world is rarely predictable. When the rules change, the flowchart breaks. We need a system that learns to handle variability. Artificial intelligence is the logic of adaptation. Its core definition is that it thinks, mimicking cognitive functions like learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI is about finding patterns in the chaos. It uses algorithms like neural networks to analyze data, infer meaning, and make predictions, enabling it to handle complex, unpredictable tasks. AI shows improvement without reprogramming. It has high adaptability, learns from new data, and improves performance without explicit code changes, as used in speech recognition or personalized recommendations. The critical distinction is this: automation, the muscle, performs and focuses on efficiency in routine, rules-based tasks. AI, the brain, thinks and focuses on understanding in dynamic, learning-based situations. The synthesis is intelligent automation. AI adds intelligence to automation, allowing systems to handle complexity with speed. The goal is smarter, more flexible systems. This illustrates the handoff from insight to action. AI interprets the why, analyzing complex customer data to understand sentiment, while automation executes the how, triggering the workflow for action. The operational equation is simple. The speed of automation plus the scope of AI equals intelligent automation. True digital transformation connects the head to the hands. It is not about choosing between stability and learning, but building an organization that can do both.